Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see, I've created something different from what I usually do on my channel. It's something more festive, more sparkly, something more appropriate for Coachella, which is going to be out this weekend. So yeah, if you want to know how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. Now to prime my lid, I'll use just a simple concealer. Really use an eyeshadow primer if you want, but if you don't have any, then a concealer will do the job as well. Now moving on to the shadows, I will be using this eyeshadow palette by Beetique, and with a fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics, the V5, I'll take this shade from here and I'll apply it on my crease. The next shadow that I will be applying again on my crease will be this shade from here, and I will take a smaller fluffy brush, this one by BH Cosmetics, the number 8. Taking a flat brush, I'll take this shade and I'll apply it on my lid, and this brush is again by BH Cosmetics in the number 7. And now all over my lid, I'll apply this shade again with a really flat brush. And because I want this shimmery shade to really pop on my eyes, I'm just gonna spray on my brush some Fix by MAC. On my lower lash line, I'll use this shade. And on top of that, I'll apply some black eyeshadow. Now I'll just pop some lashes on my upper and lower lashes. And as you can see, the smaller fake lashes I've applied mostly here on the middle section of my eye, because I wanted to give, you know, like a more dramatic look. I will also apply some mascara, and I'll use this one by Maybelline. And after I done that, I'll apply the small lashes, and as I said, I will be applying them here on the middle section of my lower lashes. Now after I've done with my lashes, I'll just highlight a bit here on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'll use this highlighter palette by Beetique, and I'll take this shade. Now I'll create my festive freckles, and for that you're just going to need a liquid eyeliner, and I'll use something like that, and this one is by Catrice Cosmetics. Now for a lipstick, I'll use this liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty. On top of that, I'll use this lip gloss by Dior. And the last step will be to highlight some points on my face, and again I'll go in with this highlighter palette by Beetique. yeah, and this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was an easy one to create something sparkly, something really festive for Coachella. Every product that I've used I will be linking as always down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done already, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!